4 wreaths, surround them in a circle. Locate the head of the wreath string light and the tail of the belay string light. Insert and tighten. Like the string lights connecting the wreaths A and B, connect the string light of the B and C wreath. Similarly, connect the string light of the C and D wreath. Splice the A and B wreath and tighten them with screws. Secure the screw with a wrench. Repeat the previous step and use screws to join the B and C wreath together. Use screws to connect the C and D wreath together. Similarly, use screws to join the D and A wreath together, and the assembly is complete. Due to its shape being squeezed during transportation, please spread the branches along their orientation to restore their full shape, and reveal some hidden berries or pine cones. Find a branch on the wreath. Tie the bough to the branch. After installation, organize the shape of the bough to make it more three-dimensional. The overall wreath installation is completed.